If you are planning to build a custom home in the Bay Area, there are 5 mistakes that can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. And they all happen before the construction starts. I have been building custom homes over the 12 years in the Bay Area. Let me show you the key things. Here's the mistake 1 I see all the time. Homeowners start an architect before they even know how much their project will cost. And that one decision can completely destroy the project. Most homeowners think the first step is call an architect, design the project, get the plans done. But reality, that's backwards. Let's say you are dreaming about the custom home or big addition. You got the architect, you spend the time, you invest the money, you design everything exactly how you want. Perfect layouts, beautiful design, everything looks amazing. Then you send the plans to contractor and suddenly you hear this will be cost $700,000. This is way over your budget. And now you are stuck. You already paid the plans, you already fell in love with the design, but now you can't build it because no one told you real cost at the beginning. And then here in the Bay Area, this is even more common because construction costs are some of the highest in the country. What you think costs $500,000 might actually cost you $750,000 or more. First, talk to the contractor, get realistic ballpark cost, understand what you can actually afford. Then go to an architect. Design based off your real budget because a beautiful design that you can't afford is completely useless. Let's say you did talk a contractor early. Now, here's where the second mistake happened. Here's the second mistake that quietly kills your budget. You start the project with a contractor, get the price, and then you move forward without them. And that's where the things start going wrong. Even if you don't sign the contract yet, the contractor should stay involved from the beginning all the way through the design. Let's say contractors tell you your project will be around $700,000. You take that number, then go to architect. You start the design, bigger window, higher ceiling, more custom details. The cost goes up and up and up. You come back to contractor and now same project is not $7K anymore. It is $850K or even more because the contractor was not there to guide the design decision. Architect design, contractors bill, and price reality. If you design without the cost control, your budget will break. The smart way is the simple. Keep the contractor involved. Share every design change. Ask, how does it affect the cost? Because design change can create the big budget problems. If your contractor is not in the room, your budget already out of window. Now, if you are made it this far without mistake, congratulations, you are doing better than 90% of the people. You talk to the contractor early, you keep them involved, but there is a still mistake most people make with the timing. Here is the mistake 3, waiting until your plans are approved to get the contractor pricing. It's like a buying flying ticket the last minute. You will pay more and then have a fewer option. You finish your plan, you get the approvals, everything is ready. Now you go out, ask the contractors for pricing. Good contractor already book high quality contractors, especially for custom homes, plans months in advance. Especially in the Bay Area where demand for experienced contractors is very high. So now you are left with the I can start it tomorrow guys. A good contractor can look at your layout, your scope, your project size, and give you solid price range. Does that mean price never change? No. But here's the difference. A professional contractors won't just throw the number at you. They will break it down. They will clearly tell you this is included, and this is not. And more importantly, they also identify the parts that can change. For example, foundation work. So instead of the guessing, the good contractor will say, if it is standard foundation, this is the cost. If it requires a deeper excavation, here is the range. If the soil condition change, here's what that could look like. Now, you are not in the dark anymore. You understand what's fixed, what is flexible. The smart move is start talking to the contractor early. Get budget range early. Plan your project with the real number in mind. Timing matters, just like a pricing. So now you are talking to contractors. You are getting estimates, but how do you actually read those estimates? That's the fourth mistake. Let me ask you something. If you get the 5 different estimates, 550, 590, 640, 730, and 900K, how do you know which one actually is correct? Most homeowners think they know, but they don't. Now, most people say, okay, I won't choose the cheapest one. I will go somewhere in the middle. So they pick 590 or 640. What if the real cost of the project is actually around 740K? Then even the middle price you pick, it is still wrong. Homeowners are not contractors. They don't build a house every day. When they look the estimate, they are just comparing the numbers, not scope, not details, not reality. So instead of the looking of the price, first, you should be asking which estimate is actually correct. Because the picking of the wrong number can cost you way more later. Here is the fifth mistake. People think interior design can wait. Yeah, that is cute. It can't. Because the moment you delay it, you are not designing anymore, you are just reacting. Everything looks great on the paper. Of course it does. Then construction starts. Framing done, drywall done, and suddenly, what tile are we using? What cabinets? What flooring? And nothing is ready. So now you are Googling at 11 p.m. making $20,000 decision in 20 minutes and hoping it all somehow works together. And yeah, each piece looks amazing. That tile is really beautiful. Countertop, really gorgeous. Cabinet, expensive. But put them together, something feels off. Not because it was built wrong, but because it was decided too late. Here is the smart move. Bring the interior designer in right after layout is approved. Not day one, not when they are already picking the tile under pressure, right in between. Let them build the full vision so you can actually see your home before you build it. Because of the changing the design early, cheap. Changing it during the construction, that's where it gets painful. So another bonus thing for you guys. Not every contractor is the right contractor for your project. Let me give you the example. Every construction company has a specialty. You would not go to brain surgeon for knee surgery. That sounds crazy, right? Brain surgeon is an amazing doctor. That doesn't mean they should work on your knee. Construction is the same. You would not ask a company that does remodel work to build your custom home from the ground up. They might be great company, but it is not what they do. And there is one more thing. Your contractor needs to know your area. Because of every city has different rules, different permit process, different timelines, different requirements. So some city approve the plans in a few weeks, others take 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Atherton, Palo Alto, Mountain View, San Francisco, San Mateo, Burlingame, Menlo Park, Los Altos, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Cupertino, Portola Valley. But when it comes to building, completely different rules. The contractor who knows your area knows all of this. The contractor who doesn't will learning during your project, and that learning costs your time and money. The custom home is not a small project. Make sure your contractor does this every day. Then make sure they know your area, because the right contractor is not just good contractor. They are right contractor for your project in your area. So we are done the 5 mistakes with the bonus. Bring your contractor in early stage. Keep them part of the design. Don't wait too long to make a decision. Learn how you read your estimate and then bring your interior designer at the right time. Get those right, and then everything else becomes easier. If you are planning to build a custom home in the Bay Area, follow this channel. And if you want to talk about your project, send us a message. We are happy to help you.